like to have both of you come back. We'll do it in the we're going to go with Nicole Lavallee first for some key takeaways, and then we'll take Laurel Van Allen. So Nicole, please go ahead.
Okay, on terms of the key takeaways, I think we talked about a lot of issues, and in some respects we talked about some key takeaways, but obviously the trend is towards an increase in the number of securities fraud cases, increase of number of cases actually on behalf of the company by investors, breach of fiduciary duty types of cases, and we're also seeing more opt-outs. So I really think that those are the key takeaways, and I don't see anything in the market or anything out there in the legal arena that would actually slow down the pace of new cases being filed.
Thank you for that, Nicole. Laurel?
I agree with everything Nicole said, and just to add to that, the question is sort of the number of cases being filed and then the size of those cases. And along with what Nicole said, there doesn't seem to be any indicator of cases slowing down, if anything to the contrary. And to the extent that there are any major changes or shifts that could in the market and increased volatility in the market as a persistent observable fact, that may suggest that larger cases are forthcoming.